All right. I only got one slice left. Okay. This is how it... Look, if you don't have friends, you just got the wrong food. Because watch this, bro. The place is empty right now. Man. But I think I'm gonna give this... Look, they're already coming in. I think I'm gonna give this slice. There's some skinny birds over here. Like small pigeons. Probably not even pigeons. Now the big pigeon's coming. I'm gonna watch. I'm gonna start. Well, I'm gonna try it here. Yeah, there we go. The small pigeons. There you go, little pigeon. There you go, little pigeon. Little pigeon. Little homie. But see that, like the big ones just come in, bro. Like you instantly have friends. Bro, get your bread, bro. Get your bread up. Get your bread up. See, that's like a mid-sized pigeon. He gets after it. There you go. Look at that dude. Hungry as hell. But he's showboating for it. Look at that little dude. Look, he getting after it, bro. There's enough to go around. Stop cutting up, bro. Stop it. Why are you standing on him? Why are you standing on him like that? That's why you're not getting anything. There you go. Look. You got stood on. You deserve that. Look, they just blind. Look. Bro, y'all can't even make nests. Y'all suck at making... Taking your time. There's the other dude starving as hell. Nah, there's another one, little homie. There you go. There you go, homie. Look at that. Look at that. You fat as hell. There you go. Oh no, I just hit you with it. Now you look, you blind. It's underneath you, literally. Look, over there. Little bird. Look, small pigeons are getting them. I'm gonna try to give one to this like obscure pigeon. He getting bullied. There you go. It's right there. That's why you getting bullied. You're starving on your own terms. That's it. I'm out of bread. Ain't nothing else I can do, bro. Nothing else. That's it. We're going home.